Blue color, where are you?
Blue.
Here I am, how do you do? Red color, where are you?
Red.
Here I am, how do you do? Yellow color, where are you?
Yellow.
Here I am, how do you do? Green color, where are you?
Green.
Here I am, how do you do? Pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Hey guys, it's Sparkle Spice, and today we have some super fun foam ice cream. Isn't it so colorful? We have pink, green, yellow, and purple. Which color is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Let's take a look at this pink ice cream. Oh, it's so foamy and squishy. Can it stretch? A little bit. Wow, I can squeeze it in my hands and make a ball, or stretch it out and make it kind of flat. That is really neat. It comes apart so easily. Let's see what's in the cup. It looks like a surprise. What is this surprise? It's from Lion Guard. It's a minifigure. All right. Look at this. It's Kion, the lion. Wow, he looks super cool. He's orange. Now let's take a look at our green foam ice cream. It's such a pretty green. Okay, let's press it out. Ooh, super stretchy. It almost reminds me of a cloud. Okay, and I can squeeze it up tight in my hands into a ball. Very cool. And press my fingers into it and wrap it around my thumb. It's so much fun to play with. All right, let's see what's in our cone. Another surprise. All right. This time it's a Mickey Mouse minifigure. Oh, look at this. It's Minnie Mouse with her cute little red dress and white polka dots and her matching bow. What a sweet little mouse. Time to look at our yellow foam ice cream. It's so bright, like the sun. Wow, it even has a little bit of sparkle in it. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can roll it out like this and stretch it out long. Whoa! It only stretches a little bit and then it comes apart. And squeeze it together and make little holes in it with my finger. That's kind of fun. Okay, what is inside of our cone? It's a Finding Dory figure. All right, let's see who it is. We have Marlin. Marlin's a cute little orange clownfish, and he's got white stripes. He loves to swim in the ocean. Our last foam ice cream is purple. What a pretty shade of purple. It looks like a perfect scoop of ice cream that we'll have to separate. Whoa, it all comes apart. Here's our surprise in the purple cone. This time it's a Secret Life of Pets minifigure. All right. Oh, look at this. It's Max. He's so small like this. I love his blue collar and his big black nose. He's so cute. Oh, wow, look, we got our ice cream back. We've got the pink, the green, the yellow, and the purple again. Let's take another look and see if something's inside of our ice cream. Here we go, I'm opening the pink. What is it? Hey, it's a friend. It's Marshall from Paw Patrol. He's a Dalmatian pup and loves to put out fires. Now let's look at our green foam ice cream. Let's see. I'll open it slowly. What's inside? Ooh, someone looking red. It's Owlette from PJ Masks. She's kind of bendy here, but she's got her owl wings ready to fly. Our yellow ice cream is next. Wonder what could be inside. Let's open it up. Who's this? Look at cute little Mickey Mouse with his red shorts and 2 yellow dots and a cute little tail. It's a Mickey Tsum Tsum. Our last foam ice cream is the purple one. What's inside? Do we know who this is? Let's turn her around. It's Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig's wearing red with black shoes. She's super cute. Her arms can move and she can sit down. She's so fun. Well guys, that's it for this video. Playing with our foam ice cream was a lot of fun. Do you remember which color foam ice cream that Kion came out of? Let me know in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more fun foam ice cream surprises, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye!